Okay, that must be everything. Hey, what's up? Sebas here. It's been a while since I made the last vlog, so I decided to make it today because I'm currently in Frankfurt with Freddy from Fred's the Photography, and we're going to the Tuscany today. So we're having a nice road trip, filming a wedding over in Italy. And of course I also brought my FPV drone, so maybe I get some cool shots with that as well. And yeah, let's pack the car.
And darling, I'm bleeding, and your love killing. I show you love. I thought that you believed in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. And darling, I'm bleeding, and your love killing. I show you love. I thought that you believed in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I guess that you believed in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I guess that you believed in me.
We just arrived in Italy, just behind the border, and it's fucking hot. It's getting hot, yeah! And go on, last 4 hours. We finally arrived in Italy. Look how nice it is. Beautiful sunset. It's still fucking warm, but we are finally arrived after 11 hours of driving, and now we are going to eat something. We have a beautiful sunrise here in the Tuscany. I think it's like 6 o'clock, let me see. Oh yeah. And we're going to fly a drone. I'm going to take this one. And Freddy has the Mavic just there. And this is our spot. Okay, I'm ready to bring this thing in the air. My controller probably is already flying. Okay, crashed, but I got it back. It was so good I put a beeper in it, so I don't have any problems to find it. The cable is getting loose here, so I have to fix it first before I can fly again. Damn it. Okay, let's try to fix the cable of the ESC here. Okay, it's fixed. I hope it's gonna work again, but we try it later. First we have breakfast. This location is just beautiful. Morning everybody, another beautiful day here in Tuscany. Yesterday we had just a few more things on the wedding schedule with our wedding couple. Now it's actually the wedding day. It's 6 a.m. and we try to fly the drone again. And yeah, later on this day we have the wedding on this beautiful area here.
Sun is just coming up. Sun is just coming up over the mountain. Look at it.
Found this beautiful spot here. There's the sunrise, and I think it's a good place to fly because it's just fresh cutted. So time to fly. Just had to run because the tractor driver was coming. He didn't see us at all, so it's everything fine now. We can pack everything together. But I just noticed that my SD card had a failure, so I hope there is the footage on the drone. Otherwise, I didn't got it. Time to get ready for the wedding. By the way, have I shown you this very nice room here, which is actually pretty small, and I can't even stand here, right? So anyway, we're getting ready, getting dressed, pack all our stuff together, and then I'm filming the wedding. So maybe I just throw in some B-roll. Okay, I'm still at the wedding. The dinner's just prepared there. Oh, right over there is like aperitivo. We're going to the couple shoot now. And yeah, the day was already pretty nice, I have to say. Thinking what this cable is for. I have an earpiece and a walkie-talkie, so I can communicate with Freddy. It's one of the best ways to keep contact with your team the whole wedding day, so we use it quite often actually. And they also got a place for me and Freddy, of course.
I can't sleep.